a wish, Brayden.
Make a wish upon it.
Yay! Now for the fun part.
We did it.
Now we're gonna.
Good. There it goes. Whoa.
It's erupting.
It's going, Brayden.
It's erupting.
Brayden, get closer to it.
What is it doing?
It's smoldering.
Listen.
It's silly.
Just wait.
That's just smoke.
I think
And bubbles too.
maybe when the jello gets cold enough. It took a minute on that video, didn't it?
See,
Yeah, they said it didn't matter.
It's exploding.
Does it mean one piece or two pieces?
It's going one.
Oh, look at that.
One jumped out.
Oh.
It's starting to
It's
bubble.
going.
Look out!
That is so
cool! It's bubbling.
Let's see if it'll erupt. Yeah, Liam wants
That's
to
the
see.
best volcano I ever seen.
Look at the little poofs of smoke that are coming up.
Okay, it's shaking.
Liam.
It's
Liam.
shaking. It's shaking.
Just wait. Let's see
Liam
if
said
it'll-
hi to the volcano.
That's gonna be one cold cake to cut into.
I know, Grandma.
That is so cool. It's bubbling.
Yeah, let's see if it'll erupt.
Oh, it's starting. It's
Wow!
starting.
Let's cure that. That scared me. Me too. Me.
Here, leave it. Let it.
It's
Bubbling.
It's bubbling.
I
We
want to put
need
another one in
more.
there.
I
It's
was gonna say
getting-
maybe we need
it's-
another one.
All right, let it go. Let it bubble.
You can do that, and
Ray, look out! There's gonna be more.
you know you could do that on Halloween.
There it goes.
Oh boy! Where did it go?